Hi there, and welcome to the De-Stress with Headspace video. In this video, we'll be going over the Headspace app and how to use it. Headspace is your guide to mindfulness for your everyday life. Learn meditation and mindfulness skills from world-class experts. Using the app, feel less stress and feel more mindful. Join guided meditations for focus, exercise, and sleep. Teach yourself stress release workouts and learn healthy sleeping habits. Now let's check out some of the features. In the app, you can actually track your progress, add friends and meditate with them, and use multi-platform sync to use Headspace on multiple devices. Headspace is also compatible with Apple Health. Now let's check out how to use the app. Just a reminder that anything with the lock on it is unlocked through premium subscription. The home page acts as a daily planner page. On this page, you can find activities for the morning, evening, and night, which include meditation, sleep work, and focus workouts. The next page is the Meditate page. On this page, you can find all the guided meditations on Headspace. The page after that is the Night page. On the Night page, you can find meditations to help you sleep better. The next page is the Move page, where you can find workouts to help release stress. Now that you know how to use the app, let's talk about getting the app. So the app itself is actually free, but there is a premium subscription, which you could either pay $17.99 per month or $89.99 per year. Download the app at the following links here or scan the QR code below. Thank you for watching this video.